Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to provide an update on my TL. So as you can see here, I took out the dashboard. I'm actually installing an iPod player. It's factory, goes into the factory radio, so I can play through my car speakers. I also change out the spark plugs, and I changed out the ignition coils. I actually got a good deal from OfferUp. Someone was selling 6 ignition coils and some spark plugs for like $200, and they're all original. So I guess he didn't need it, and I was able to pick them up and change it. So it's part of preventive maintenance on the car. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna have to put the radio back all together. There's some videos how to take it apart, but I'm not going to do that video. There's videos that people show you how to take it off. I actually watched them. So this is just an update on my car. So now I'm going to have to put everything back. So I'll be back in a bit. Okay, welcome back. So I put all the dashboard back together, and you see here it's connected to my phone, and it's actually charging. And all you got to do is hit the aux control, and now it's gonna play music off your phone. Now I'm not gonna play any music because I don't want to get copyright or anything like that, but you can see where it says CDC, that's the aux. So basically it's gonna go through your speakers of the car. So if you're playing, you know, your Apple Music, Pandora, any other streaming music, it's gonna go play through the speakers. So that's really what I really wanted. But here's the catch. I just found out after I installed this, my XM radio does not work anymore. You can see here, when you hit XM, it does not work. So I mean, I don't really listen to XM that much anyway. I mean, if anything, I could stream off XM if I really wanted to, off my phone. But my car XM doesn't work anymore. But I'm able to play, you know, the regular music. So I bought this clip. This mount is actually from Pro Clip, so that's why it's able to be mounted like that. And it's actually an old 30-pin connector. As you can see, it's an old 30-pin connector from Apple. Since this model is a 2005, I just have to buy the, you know, the 30-pin to lightning adapter here to make it work. So that's some of the modifications I did to the car. So that's one. And I already talked about the ignition wires and the spark plugs. And I actually changed some bulbs. So you can see here, I don't know if you can see on camera, the light was out. I just changed that. So that's about it. This is actually a lot of work taking off the dash. It did take me like a whole hour to put it back, just because I had to make sure all the screws are in correctly and, you know, everything is in its place. So till next video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.